Hey everybody, welcome to day 2 of bowling. Today we're going to work on the two-step approach. We're still going to focus on opposite foot and follow through. So if you're right-handed and you're going to step with the opposite foot, you're going to go right, left, bowl. If you're left-handed, you're going to go left, right, bowl. Opposite foot and follow through. Remember, you get 2 chances to bowl. If you knock down all first 10 on your first attempt, it's called a strike. If you knock down all the remaining pins on your second attempt, it's called a spare. Ooh, bowl the strike. Let's see, this one is a ball in cups. Didn't knock any of them over. Going for a spare. Bowl the 2. Last one. Toilet paper. Bowl the 0. Gonna go for a spare. Reminder, opposite foot and follow through. And a 0. So, day 2, opposite foot, follow through, 2-step approach. And I want you to practice for 10 minutes. Have a great day bowling.